Now let's do something different which you all have never done before. Okay? Now we're going to play rapid fire. That's the most trickiest part, I know that. Are you all ready for it?
Okay.
Okay? Okay. Let's get started. Okay, there are rules for this game. You need to be very spontaneous. You cannot take any time. You just need to answer. Okay? So who should I start with? Merlin or Amod?
I guess Amod.
Okay, Amod. Are you ready?
येस
टाइम ना ओके तुझे लागीं तुजो स्वताचो नेटफ्लिक्स अकाउंट आसा वा तूं दुसऱ्याचो कोणाचो वापरता
माझ्या बहिणीचो
ऑलराइट ओके तूं मानता कोंकणी फिल्म्स सगळ्याहून बोरी म्हूण
ना
ना चूज एनी वन तुजो आवडीचो तेंप खंयचो गरमी वा थंडी
थंडी
तुका स्ट्रीट फूड चड आवडटा वा हॉटेलांत जेवण
घरा कडलें
घरा कडलें ओके नथिंग फ्रॉम देर ओके नाव यू नीड टू आन्सर हॉलिवूड इज फॉर इंग्लिश मूवी बॉलिवूड इज फॉर हिंदी मूवी वॉट इज फॉर कोंकणी मूवी
बोथ
तुजो सामको बरो द बेस्ट गोंयचो कोंकणी रॅप सिंगर कोण
वेकिंग ग्रंट
Oh, now choose anyone. You feel better taking shower in the morning or night?
बोथ
दोन फावटी ओके तू चड बेजार कित्याक लागून आसा गॅस प्रायस वाडला म्हूण वा फ्युअल प्रायस वाडला म्हूण
दोन्ही
ओके आर यू मॅरीड
नो
नो सो डू यू एन्जॉय युअर मदर्स फूड और यू एन्जॉय फूड प्रिपेर्ड बाय यू बाय योर ओन सेल्फ
मदर्स फूड
मदर्स फूड ओके दोन फेमस लोकल सोऱ्यांचे ब्रँडाची नांवां सांग
काजू
ओके वन
आणि दुसरो खबर ना
पिनार ओके वन एक पिढी सांगले ते नाव चूज डू यू प्रिफर ड्रायव्हिंग ऑर फ्लायिंग
ड्रायव्हिंग
तुका पयली कसली वस्त पडून शिकोंक आवडटा ओ ती पयली तू करून पळयता
करून पळयता
ओके इफ आय आस्क यू टू रेट लोना कार्देरो यू विल रेट हर एट विच स्टेज
सो 5 इज गुड और
1 to 5 ऑब्वियसली 1 इज गुड
ओके देन 1
1
Okay.
sure no
येस
okay brass band for theatre is the best for audience or artist brass band confused Merlin would you like to answer this
Artist.
artist all right moving on to Merlin well played Amor all right next Merlin do you believe in second chance
Yes.
why
Because we are humans and we all make mistakes.
what lesson that took you a long time to learn
That I need to believe in myself and self-love is important.
okay choose one option you enjoy at work or play
Work.
money can buy happiness or happiness comes when you have money
Money, I would say yeah, both.
okay
Good.
do you think that you must live without anyone
Yes, because we come alone.
okay
and
she
we are
answered my
going to
bye
die
question
alone.
also okay your best advice to your coworker
Not to panic. Anxiety does come to us. Yeah.
okay choose an option तुझो एक्सरसाइज करपाचो वेळ केन्ना सकाळी वा सांजेचो
I don't have a time. He's been telling me to maintain a time, but no.
ओके
Work schedule.
तुझे आवडीचें जेवण कसलें हार or गोड
Good.
ओके what is your pet's name
Cooper.
Cooper
Yeah.
okay who is your best friend
Well, if it comes from family, I would say my mom.
okay
Others, yeah.
okay choose one you're more serious in love or friendship
Both.
you prefer outing in the day or night time
Night.
best place in Goa to enjoy South Goa or North Goa
South.
so do you mean to say there's no place in North Goa
No, there are a lot of places, but South Goa is more,
okay
tranquil.
all right okay your choice are fresh food or fried food
Yeah. Fried.
okay Hindi serial are most distracting
I don't watch serials.
all right well played Merli and Amod